SimZoning is an open source toolbox for creating performance-based climatic zones that can be used either as a malloc code or as a precompiled executable file called from the Windows command line. All the details on how to use each of these alternatives are provided in our GitHub account, github.com/climaticzoning/SimZoning. This time, I will show you how to use the precompiled executable file, which is the most simple way to use SimZoning. To run SimZoning on your computer, you need to go to our GitHub account, github.com/climaticzoning/SimZoning, and download all the supporting folders and files required to run this application. These include all the shapefiles, all the EPW files, rasters, IDF files, as well as the examples that are required to run SimZoning for the first time. You'll also need to download the latest release, which is an executable file. I recommend you to always download the latest one because we are in continuous development. And in here, you can find not only the executable file, but also the MATLAB Runtime 2022 file, which is required to run this standalone application. Now you have to create a folder named SimZoning in the C drive and to place there all the supporting files and also the executable file that you have just downloaded from the GitHub account. So now that you have all the files in the right place, you need to install the MATLAB Runtime 2022 to be able to use this compiled version. Before making the installation of the MATLAB Runtime 2022, make sure to have enough space in your computer to install this application because it takes like almost 9 gigabytes of space. So now we can call SimZoning from the command line of Windows. And the first thing we have to do after opening the command line is to go to the folder C, SimZoning, and then to write the expression SimZoning.x and the name of the input file. In this case, we're going to use one of the samples included in SimZoning, which is a sample of climatic zoning of the south of Brazil. The folder, the file name is bra.rgs.zone, and then the program start running. Simulations will take around 30 minutes. And after that, you can find the main outputs of SimZoning in 2 folders. There is a folder containing the individual simulation results for each climate and a folder containing all the aggregated simulation results and the clustering results for the case study you're running.